Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I want to share modern kitchen and stylish kitchen decorating ideas. So many beautiful and wonderful ideas for stylish kitchen decorating ideas. So nice and beautiful and wonderful ideas and cabinet designs and use different accessories and different style countertop and ceiling design and color schemes. So many beautiful and wonderful ideas. This style is so good and wonderful. You can see very beautiful and different style kitchen decorating ideas and fireplace and show different style and color schemes, and this side the stools and cabinet wonderful ideas, and this color scheme and a huge kitchen and this style. So many beautiful and good ideas and double sink kitchen design ideas and this style color schemes, white color and marble sheet, good decor, and this countertop mid of the kitchens and good decorating. So many beautiful and wonderful ideas. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe and write the comment and pray for me, and thanks so much you spent a few time in my channel.